What if one tiny spice could revolutionize your health? What if something as simple as adding cardamom to your meals every day could transform your digestion, protect your heart, and even help you lose weight? Sound too good to be true? Stay tuned because in this video, we're diving deep into the science-backed health benefits of cardamom and uncovering exactly what happens to your body when you make it a daily habit. Cardamom, often called the queen of spices, has been cherished for centuries, not just for its unique, aromatic flavor, but also for its incredible medicinal properties. From better digestion and glowing skin to enhanced heart health and stress relief. This spice does it all. All right, let's dive in. One of the standout benefits of cardamom is its ability to improve digestion. This spice stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, making it easier for your stomach to break down food. If you've ever felt bloated or gassy after a meal, cardamom could be your new best friend. It works as a natural carminative, reducing bloating and preventing the buildup of gas in your digestive tract. Cardamom can also help with indigestion, nausea, and heartburn. In Ayurveda, it's commonly used to soothe upset stomachs and balance digestive health. By incorporating it into your diet daily, whether in tea, curries, or even desserts, you may find that your digestion becomes smoother and more efficient. Are you constantly worried about bad breath? Chewing on a cardamom pod could be a simple solution. Cardamom has natural antibacterial properties that kill odor-causing bacteria in your mouth. That's why it's often used as a natural breath freshener in South Asia. Beyond its freshening effect, cardamom may help prevent cavities and oral infections by creating an inhospitable environment for harmful bacteria. Imagine this. Instead of reaching for gum or mints loaded with artificial ingredients, you pop a natural cardamom pod into your mouth. Over time, it may improve your overall oral health while keeping your breath minty fresh. What's more, cardamom is loaded with antioxidants, which are compounds that fight free radicals in your body. Free radicals can cause oxidative stress, leading to cell damage and aging. By consuming cardamom regularly, you're giving your body the tools it needs to combat this damage. The antioxidants in cardamom are also linked to reducing inflammation, boosting immunity, and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. In essence, adding this spice to your meals is like giving your cells a protective shield. Moreover, if heart health is a priority, cardamom should be on your radar. Studies suggest that cardamom can help lower blood pressure, thanks to its diuretic effect and its ability to relax blood vessels. High blood pressure is a leading risk factor for heart disease, so keeping it in check is crucial. But that's not all. Cardamom may also improve cholesterol levels and promote better blood circulation. Over time, these benefits can contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system and a lower risk of heart-related problems. But wait, there is more. If you struggle with respiratory issues like asthma, bronchitis, or chronic cough, cardamom might help. It has expectorant properties that make it easier to clear mucus from your airways, helping you breathe more freely. Plus, its anti-inflammatory compounds can reduce swelling in the respiratory tract. In traditional medicine, cardamom is often used in steam inhalation or teas to relieve congestion. So, if you're prone to seasonal colds or allergies, adding a pinch of cardamom to your daily routine could make a noticeable difference. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. For those watching their blood sugar levels, cardamom offers promising benefits. Some studies suggest that cardamom can help regulate blood sugar, making it a helpful addition to the diet of people with diabetes or prediabetes. Its high antioxidant content also plays a role here, as it helps reduce oxidative stress, which is a contributing factor to insulin resistance. Adding cardamom to your meals or beverages might just be a delicious way to keep your blood sugar in check. Additionally, if you're on a weight loss journey, cardamom could be a surprising ally. It boosts metabolism and aids in the digestion of fats, making your body more efficient at burning calories. Cardamom also has diuretic properties, which help reduce water retention and bloating. Another way it supports weight loss is by curbing cravings. The warm, sweet flavor of cardamom can satisfy your sweet tooth without the need for sugary treats, helping you stick to your healthy eating goals. Did you know inflammation is at the root of many chronic conditions, from arthritis to heart disease? Cardamom contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce this internal swelling. Regular consumption of cardamom may ease joint pain, improve mobility, and lower the risk of chronic diseases caused by persistent inflammation. Feeling stressed or anxious? The aroma of cardamom alone can have a calming effect. It's no wonder that cardamom is a popular ingredient in aromatherapy. Consuming cardamom can also promote relaxation and reduce stress levels. This spice contains compounds that act as mild sedatives, helping to calm your mind and improve your mood. Whether it's through a warm cardamom-infused tea or a fragrant meal, adding cardamom to your diet can be a natural way to fight stress and anxiety. Finally, your liver and kidneys are responsible for filtering toxins out of your body, and cardamom can support their function. Its diuretic properties encourage your body to flush out excess fluids and toxins, reducing the burden on these organs. In traditional medicine, cardamom is often used as a natural detoxifier. By consuming it regularly, you may find that your body feels lighter and more balanced. And lastly, cardamom is a natural antimicrobial agent, meaning it can fight bacteria, fungi, and other pathogens. This property makes it an excellent choice for boosting your immune system and protecting your body from infections. From preventing common colds to fighting off more serious infections, cardamom's antimicrobial benefits make it a powerful addition to your daily routine. Adding cardamom to your meals is easier than you might think. You can brew cardamom pods with your tea for a fragrant, soothing drink. Add cardamom to savory dishes for a warm, spicy flavor. Use cardamom in desserts like cakes, cookies, or even bread. You can also blend cardamom powder into your smoothies for an exotic twist, or sprinkle cardamom into rice dishes or oatmeal for a subtle flavor boost. So there you have it, folks. A tiny spice with massive benefits. Cardamom is nature's gift to your health. Why not start today? Add a pinch to your meals, sip it in your tea, and see how this ancient spice can transform your body and mind. Remember, big changes start with small habits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Let us know in the comments, how will you start adding cardamom to your life? Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.